Okay, this is what I have after some valve adjustment. Sounds a lot better at idle. It's warmed up now, so it's quieter than last time.